It's winter, it's bloody freezing and it's getting dark early. Now we're temporarily living in a lodge. This is our home for now and we can't fit everything upstairs. So we've got a little bit of a utility room set up downstairs. And that means coming in and out, it's pretty bloody dark because we're in the middle of the countryside. I've got a light at the top of the stairs, which works okay for this bit, but the sensor's pointing the wrong way, which is something I need to sort out later. But that light doesn't reach around this side and forever running out of batteries on the head torches, so I could do with a little light just up there. So I bought this little solar powered security light, PIR sensor, only £10 off eBay. Here's the box, comes from China. What you get your light with your sensor on, you get your solar panel with your power cable, and there's a couple of little brackets in there with screws so you can just slot these in, which we will do in a second. Now on the box it does have PIR sensor, there's a solar panel, battery, and then a little shower bit there. I assume it's supposed to be waterproof, but I found out that it wasn't, so I took it apart a few weeks back now.
I took this apart yesterday just because I left it in such a position that it got wet inside, so we can determine that it's not actually waterproof. The screws are already removed, so I'll take this off. We'll just look inside. There is one screen, and then here I've taken these screws off as well. This is the LED section, and then underneath I've got the battery just here. This is the PIR sensor, there's some circuitry there, and this is where the power lead comes in. Now of course it's not waterproof because when you put it back together you can see there's no rubber gaskets around the outside. I don't think it would cost that much to put them rubber gaskets in, so it was a bit of a waste of time. But it's dried out now. I don't know whether it's going to function tomorrow, but hopefully it will. And unfortunately there's a button just here that you need to press just to make sure it functions, and I've lost the cap. Unfortunately the hoovering's been done, so I've got this little rubber cap that comes with my fire alarm, and I can just pop that on there, so at least then I can turn it to the different functions.
It does actually still work. It's been sitting outside in the rain for a couple of weeks. Oh blimey. See, quality's probably not that great. I wanted to film it now because it's going to be dark in a minute and I'll be able to show you that it works, hopefully. This is the bracket that you get in the box. There's two of them for two of these. This is north facing here, so I think I might put the light on here for now, and then it'll be sheltered from the rain, and then the power I think I'll put up there, that's east facing, so at least it's going to get the morning sun. Just pop the work light on, but this lead, look how long it is. It's like 4.5 meters, maybe 5 meters. We'll just plug it in. It's got 3 settings for the light. I think you need to turn it on first, but we'll turn everything off and we'll see if it comes on when I walk past. Lovely. I'd say for the sensor itself, the closer you are, the wider it detects. The further you are away, the more direct banging line that you'd need to be with its sight line, if you understand. Doesn't look beautiful, does it? But it's cheap. I think it will do the job for a little while, but I'm not sure how long this is actually going to last. Have any of you bought these cheap Chinese lights and they haven't lasted long? I have had 2 similar things in the past. They didn't last 5 minutes. This seems to be okay. It's been 3 weeks out in the rain and now this is undercover. I reckon it'll be all right. We'll see. If you're interested in getting the same kind of one, I'll leave a link in the description. But until next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.